Go do it again. What was that? What are you doing?
Donnie, just do a dance.
Is that the worm?
No. It's like a...
Alright, Katie, you show her how to do it. I see your belly. Doing the twist. She caught her helmet. Oh, you're so silly, girls. All right, go ride your big wheels. I have to fix your helmet, Katie. Make it tighter so it doesn't fall off. You ready to race?